Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the unboxing of Mavis 350 shuttlecocks and also how to verify the product genuinity. So we have two hologram stickers over the box and there is a Unix hologram sticker will be there and it is still in sealed way. And also we have one more hologram from the importer. So I'm going to scratch this one. You have a provision to scratch down. So once I scratched, then I got a code and I'm just verifying that code over the website. The importer name is Sunrise, so I'm verifying over there and I got a message like, yes, this product is genuine. Wow. So let's open the shuttlecocks box. I love to play with this Mavis 350 shuttlecocks. It's very durable and weight is very less. Really nice shuttle. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.